Earth of mass 6 into 10 raised to 24 kilogram revolve around the sun with an angular velocity of 2 into 10 raised to minus 7 radians per second in a circular orbit of radius 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 kilometer. The force exerted by the sun on the earth. So we can find out the value of force exerted by the sun on earth either by using this equation, that is F is equal to G m into m, mass of sun and mass of earth, divided by distance orbital radius the whole square. But over here we don't know what about the value of mass of sun, which is not given in question. So one more method to find out it is while calculating the value of centripetal force, because the sun is going to provide the necessary centripetal force for the motion of earth. So we can use that equation m r omega square. So mass of earth is 6 into 10 raised to 24 and radius is given as nothing but 1.5 into 10 raised to 8, and the value of omega is given as nothing but 2 into 10 raised to minus 7, and we should go for omega square. So we can write 6 into 10 raised to 24 into 1.5, which we can take it as nothing but 3 divided by 2 into 10 raised to 8 into 2 raised to 2, which we can take it as 4 into 10 raised to minus 7. So we can say that this 2 and this 4 get cancelled, we'll get as it is 2. So this is going to be 2 and 3, it is 6, 6 into 6, it will be 36. So I'll get the answer is equal to 36 into 10 raised to 21.